you're still watching, which must mean you want to know how to do the what I like to call Elsa curls, because you're getting the curls from the braid that Elsa had in the movie. So let's get started. For this, you will need damp hair, a hairbrush, and a hair tie, and possibly bobby pins if your hair doesn't stay in a French braid that well. So let's go. To start your Elsa braid, you are going to want to pick up this front section right here. And I'm just going to brush it. And I'm going to just split it into 3 pieces. And add my first piece in. And when you're doing this, make sure you have the puff that she did. So kind of push your braid up. Because when you have this puff, it adds a lot of volume into the roots of your hair when you take it out. And just continue French braiding for the rest of the way down.
Lying in the green grass, underneath the blue sky, looking at a good man who ought to be the right guy. He's got the kind of heart that any girl would die for. So how could I want more? How could I want more? Treats me like a princess, lets me have it my way. I can tell he's hanging on every word that I say. All he does is love me, swears that's what he's here for. So how could I want more? How could I want more? More fire, more feeling, more stars than what I'm seeing, more hope for what I find behind that door. More power, more passion, instead of just acting like I'm the one that he's been looking for. I ought to say I'm sorry, I ought to say it's over, let him live his own life, stop crying on his shoulder. He'd probably say it's alright and hold me while my tears flow. So how could I?
Now my French braid is done and it's fabulous, and I'm just going to sleep in it overnight, but it's only like 9 o'clock, so I don't go to bed for a while. So yeah, it'll have beautiful curls in the morning, and I'm hoping you will be as successful as I was. And yeah, so see you in the morning. It's morning, which means I'm allowed to take out my braid and see what my results are. You see I have some hairs poking out right here that didn't go into my braid, but that just makes it look a little more natural because not all of it will be wavy. And you remember this little puff that you put up top makes your hair really have volume. Try to find my normal part. And there we go. And since my hair is a little frizzy, I'm just going to take my smoothing brush and it doesn't hurt the curls because it just goes through the top. And there we go. Beautiful waves. And happy 4th of July. It's the 4th of July, but I know I won't post it on the 4th of July because I don't have Wi-Fi right now, so I need Wi-Fi in order to post it. So I hope you enjoyed these waves because I do. And just to hold them, I'm actually going to spray them with some Herbal Essence hairspray, which is just my normal hairspray. And you can kind of scrunch the and now I'm done. You can add whatever product you want to it. If your hair was wet when you braided it, and it's still wet, you can still add product into it. So, but mine's not wet anymore, so. And the good thing about these curls is even when I don't have hairspray in them, like I didn't yesterday, they held the entire day. So, they wouldn't come out until I brushed them out. So, advice, don't brush your hair when you take your curls out or else it'll frizz and it won't be pretty, it'll be frizzy. So, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and favorite this video. And I hope you enjoy your Elsa waves. Bye!